I thought this was the night my ride was going to end. I was heading home late, rain pouring down, and the highway was almost empty. Then my back tire started sliding, and a truck drifted into my lane. I had nowhere to go, no shoulder, no time to slow down. Out of nowhere, another biker pulled up beside me and blocked the truck so I could get control and move over. He didn't stop, didn't say a word, just gave me a nod and rode off. That's when I remembered. Out here, bikers look out for each other, even when you think you're alone.